Have you ever heard about numerology? If you like the idea of using the power of numbers and numerology to help you manifest, then you'll love the new 888 manifestation method. What's the 888 manifestation method, you may ask? Watch the video till the end to know the magic behind these three numbers. You have seen many successful people believing in tarot card reading and numerology. This fascinating number holds great significance across various cultures and spiritual realms, offering insights into harnessing its power for financial prosperity, personal growth, relationship goals, and much more. Different numbers have different symbols, and these different numbers channel to different forms of energy. For example, 111 signs for new opportunities in life, 555 means attracting positive life changes, and so on. Your mind, body, and soul are aligned with the universe and the divine energy, and you start seeing these angle numbers as the sign that your manifestation is coming true. You might be wondering why 888. It's an angel number, a symbol of abundance in various forms. And if you want to know more about angle numbers, leave comments below saying, "More numerology video," and I will post on every number and how to use these numbers to attract what you want. When you use 888, you tap into its energy, opening doors to endless possibilities. Curious about the power of 888? It's a magic number that can manifest money, love, health, whatever you desire. Yes, it's that versatile. Need a career shift or a business boost? 888 has got your back. You even have heard celebrities looking for a perfect date before getting involved in something big in their life. It's about unlocking potential in your life. It's the key to drawing in what you crave. So grab that pen and paper, because with 888, you're about to step into a realm where manifestation meets reality. Get ready to channel the energy of abundance and manifest your dreams effortlessly. Now, to perform this manifestation technique, I want you to take a paper and pen. You can take any kind of paper, whether it's parchment paper, normal paper, or even bay leaf. The key is having something to write on and with, and find a comfortable place to sit. Now for the big part, you need to know what exactly you want to manifest. Know exactly what you want. Let's say you're eyeing that $100,000 mark for 2024. That's your goal, but hey, it could be anything you crave in life. Write it out clearly on the paper. Make sure you're setting clear and specific intentions for what you want to bring into your life. Visualize these desires vividly, as if they've already happened. If you want to manifest a job, then here's an example of how to manifest a job with the 888 method. This is super easy and extremely powerful, because a job is connected to money. And, as you probably know by now, the number 8 is awesome with money. So, you would do the same steps as before, but just focus on the job you want. Again, get clear in your mind's eye about the perfect job for you. Imagine the abundance, security, and joy awaiting you in your new job. Craft a positive affirmation focusing on what you seek. Start with smaller steps. If you're seeking employment, aim to manifest new job prospects. Don't rush from unemployment to a massive salary instantly. Ask the universe for subtle hints and guidance, then follow these cues. Once interviews line up, manifest success in acing them. You might not need the 888 method for each step, but it illustrates where to begin. For a job, affirm, "I'm thrilled about the new job opportunities opening up for me." Start small, follow the signs, and watch your journey unfold. Connect with the energy of the number 8. Always approach your goals with positivity, enthusiasm, and unshakable faith in your abilities. When you consistently practice positive intention alongside visualizations, these actions will swiftly guide you to manifest whatever you truly desire. It builds up self-confidence, and you will reprogram your subconscious mind with a different approach. Now that you are all set, take that written paper, slip it under your pillow, tuck snugly under the pillowcase so it stays in place. Oh, and a neat trick. Consider popping it into a baggie. Pick a color that screams abundance to you. For money vibes, green does the trick for me. This paper or leaf becomes your secret manifesting tool, quietly working its magic as you rest. Imagine the excitement building as you sleep, knowing you've set your intentions and the universe is on it. Now comes the main part. You have to do this every day. Before slipping it under your pillow, read what you've written 8 times. Don't forget to include the 888 on the back. Visualize your desire clearly before bedtime, and as you place it under your pillow, ask the universe to bring it to you. Let it go, knowing your request is on its way. Show your gratitude to the universe or whatever higher power you believe in. The next day, take out the paper, read what's written, including the 888, and add another 888 anywhere on the paper. This makes it 2 888s. Slip it back under your pillow and repeat the process, reading it 8 times before bedtime. Continue adding an 888 and reading everything that's there, including all of the prior 888s, every night. You'll repeat this process on the 9th night, and by then your paper should have the 888 and at least 8 sets of what you want. Lastly, read it through one last time on the 9th night. Feel as though your desire is already on its way to you as you visualize it again. The goal of this procedure is to accumulate the energy and momentum necessary to achieve your goals by reiterating your objective every night. Have faith that everything is coming together for it to happen. You've got 2 options here. Either burn the paper and release it to the universe with a gentle blow, or fold it up and tuck it near your money in your wallet. Find that spot where you keep your cash or cards and place this paper there. And hey, if you'd rather not do either, just slide it under your pillow or mattress and forget about it. The key here is to write down what you want and read it 8 times every single night. Keep adding another 888 onto the paper as you go. I'm suggesting this because the number 8 is truly magical when it comes to abundance. By writing 888 3 times, you're tapping into a powerful energy source that amplifies what you desire, supercharging your manifestation journey. Throughout these 8 days, consider lighting a success or wealth candle while you're doing this ritual. It could be any candle, even a simple white one. Burn it while you're writing and repeat the process each day. When it comes to manifesting using 888, it's not about sitting back and doing nothing. You've got to take action. This is what we're all about here, action. 888 helps with your energy, but you're the one steering yourself toward where you want to go. Take charge, move in the direction of your desires, and let 888 fuel your journey. Action combined with this energy will guide you to your destination. When you understand the meaning of 888 and use these simple numbers to manifest your desires, you can truly enhance your spiritual journey toward abundance and prosperity. When you grasp the significance of 888, it becomes a powerful tool on your path, guiding you toward greater abundance and prosperity in your life. Align the energy of abundance, positive intention, visualization, and affirmations. Your purpose in life becomes limitless. So, keep dreaming big. Remember that success is not always swift, but it will come if you stay on the positive path with an unwavering belief in yourself and the power of subconscious manifestation. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the 888 method and how you can manifest your desires in just 8 days. I've had lots of fun with this method and think you'll like it a lot. Share your experience in the comment section below. Until next time, happy manifesting.